Good day, everyone, and welcome to today's market fundamental and technical breakdown. My name is Anthony Phillips Njoku, and I'm a certified professional digital trader, and I'm the founder of 10x Digital Lane, where everyone who has a knowledge gap in digital trading, real estate, short-term property business, and how to make money online can come in to learn the formulas you need to be able to make money online in these different industries. So today what we do is what they call the market fundamental and technical breakdown. How it goes is that we're going to check the structure of the market. Okay, and after we check the structure of the market, we're going to check the fundamentals as well. And this is for the time period of November 6th to November 10th. Okay, so this is just between November 6th and November 10th. That's what we're forecasting, that this is the way we expect price to move. Okay, not for the rest of the year, just for this time period, 6th to 10th. So I'll share my screen now and we can be able to dive into that to save us time, and we can be able to get the juice. Stay to the end because I'll be sharing some tips on how you can be able to win a wonderful iPhone and some new trading gadgets. Okay, stay to the end, guys. Okay, so right now you should be able to see my screen. Okay, right now you should be able to see my screen. Okay, so currently what we're looking at is what they call DXY. DXY is what we're looking at, and DXY represents the strength of the dollar. DXY represents the strength of the dollar. So, and you can see the market is currently inside what I call a support. Okay, a support. So from this level now, which is around psychological 105.00, I expect dollar to gain some strength. This is going to be more of a corrective structure, and this is a support. Yeah, market has not come back to this floor. It's more like throwing a ball on the floor, and when it bounces on that floor, it can hit there and keep going up. So when the market is currently at this support level, expecting to follow from this point to just have a corrective structure, aiming for the 106 psychological level before any other major reaction. So with that said, watch out for the next pair, Euro USD. Euro USD. Okay, so for Euro USD, we have similar structure because Euro against the dollar is correlated. They are highly correlated. So Euro is about 80% correlated with the dollar. Okay, so currently you can see we have a resistance over here. We have a resistance over here, and the market has gotten to that resistance and being rejected. So from this point now, we're expecting what? A corrective structure. I have a golden zone over here, and also we can be able to expect what is more of a corrective structure. Overall, we are bullish to the upside. Overall, we are bullish to the upside. So from this point now, we're expecting market to come down to this what? Golden zone, and then from there we can now start expecting the next reaction in the market. The next on our list is NZD-USD. NZD-USD has already started making its move. I'll be dropping a signal. It has not gotten to our buy entry. Okay, so NZD-USD from this current level, it is currently in between. It is in between a resistance or support. Okay, so but this is more of a corrective structure, expecting to go down and use this previous resistance here and turn it into support. Okay, so that's what we expect from NZD-USD. It's going to use this previous what resistance and turn it into support, and from there we can now start expecting more push to the upside to complete the move above to this resistance up here. Okay, so the next on the list is gold. The next on the list is gold. Okay, so this is gold. Gold from last week, we had a forecast during NFP when the market moved up massively. I think this. So from this level where gold is currently, I have a buyer that the market is going to keep moving up. The market is going to keep moving up because if the war in Gaza escalates more, there is high tendency for gold to keep moving to the upside. From this current level of support to the upside, we have a daily resistance over there and also a 4 hours resistance. So I'm expecting gold to keep moving to the upside from this current level if the war escalates. But if the war doesn't escalate and is taken under control, there's high chances that gold would fall from this level and also break below this low. It started the push to the upside. There's high chances for that. So the next on the list is US oil. I told you guys this about 6 months ago that US oil is heading to my main target when it left $94.36 per barrel. When it left that point, I told you that US oil is coming down to $80 per barrel, and if you can look, the market is close to $80 per barrel. Is a deeper corrective structure. After this ascending wedge was broken to the downside, I can remember when I mentioned that this ascending wedge will be broken, and when it does, we're expecting more falls. So markets created triple tops here and fell to the $80 per barrel price. So right now for US oil, I'm expecting what a deeper corrective structure. Okay, this deeper corrective structure. After this deeper corrective structure, something similar to this, they will then expect the next fall below $80 per barrel. So the next on the list is Bitcoin, which is the people's money. So for Bitcoin, we can see that the market has been forming some wedge, ascending wedge. Okay, so from this ascending wedge now, if we see a breakout below this price point of 34,500, we can expect Bitcoin to drop. Okay, we can expect Bitcoin to drop and visit the price point of about 29 to 30,000 per Bitcoin, and then continue moving to the upside to 40. But if Bitcoin doesn't break below that wedge and breaks above, okay, we can still expect it to move towards the $40,000 per coin. So now we are done with that. I want to know if you're excited about this information and you would like to know more, study in depth on how you can be able to start trading the market. You can get our courses. We have the course over here. We have the 10 digital educational course, which is going to give you a detailed breakdown from what is forex trading, the tools you need, the guidance, the necessary materials, the community you need that will encourage you and motivate you. That's what you gain access to. Meanwhile, this also is our textbook for the academy. Once you join the academy, you get this textbook. But if you're already a trader and you just need some extra bits of education, more insights in my own view of what I think about the market, you can get this textbook. And also, you're a trader and you want to get just signals, you don't want to learn, you know how to practice proper risk management, you need signals from me. You can come over here and subscribe for the signal services per month. And then you're a trader, you're already trading, you have a trading plan, you know how to place signals, you have education, but you need some tools like a trading journal. You can come over here and get a trading journal. Then if you want to know more about our system, how we handle copy trading and also our rental property business, you can come over here and download this free PDF. The link to this store is going to be on the description. Just click it and then you'll be pushed. Just click on it and you'll be pushed over to this particular web page. So now let's dive down to the fundamentals. When it comes to the fundamental analysis, we have already seen some news on euro, which has to do with HCOB service PMI. And 2 was positive, while 2 was negative, which is more of a neutral ground. And the last one was quite neutral. By 4 p.m. West African time, we're expecting CAD IVR PMI. So I'm not really much interested in that. What I'm much interested in is the AUD, Reserve Bank of Australia interest rate decision. If this is higher than this previous point, which means that AUD is still hiking, there is high chances that AUD will gain some strength. But if this is exactly as expected, which is 4.35, which is a hike as well, we are still going to expect AUD to gain some strength. But if it is not hiked, we're going to see AUD lose some strength. So this is more of by 4:30 a.m. West African time. If you can sacrifice and stay awake to trade that news, it's going to be a quite profitable one. Then unemployment changes for London session tomorrow morning for CHF, and we don't have any CHF pair marked out for this week, so we'll have to check euro. We have CPI on Wednesday for euro, which is inflation rate. So we have 117.8 and 117.8. So we'll be watching out for this CPI. This could be a trigger for us to continue selling the euro if we miss the trades on Tuesday. Or this could be a trigger for us to start buying euro to the upside. Because I told you guys, corrective structure today and tomorrow, which is Tuesday, Monday and Tuesday. And then we expect the market to push up for euro USD. Then on Thursday, we have initial jobless claims and continuous jobless claims. This is for New York session. The dollar is meant to have a lot of volatility and liquidity during that day. And we have Fed for chairman speaking in the evening by 8 p.m. Okay, so watch out for the dollar pairs. If this news turns out to be quite impressive for the dollar, we see dollar gaining some momentum, and we can expect market to keep moving to the downside for euro USD. But if you see this market lose some strength, you can now expect for euro USD to keep moving to the upside like we expect. Then on Friday, to wrap up the week, I might say this week doesn't have much volatile news, okay, like last week. This week we just have ending the week on Friday, GBP good trade balance. I don't have any GBP trade, okay, forecast for you guys, but I have the ECB President Lagarde speaking. So this is more of a speech and it is sentiment. So we'll be more focused on trading live with you guys on Wednesday, London session, and then on Thursday, New York session. So if not to miss this opportunity, you can go down to the link below, click on that link, join our Telegram channel so you cannot miss the opportunity to trade with us live. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to hit me up. My link is going to be on the description. I wish you guys a profitable trading week. Peace.